Court is calling 2024 CR 012214 State versus Jeffrey Flores. Can I have parties announced for the record?
And Britney Sparks for Mr. Flores.
And are you Mr. Flores? Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I read because I was opposite
No.
Right out of the gate, we've got confusion. And in a motion to revoke hearing, confusion is dangerous. This isn't a casual conversation, this is the court deciding whether to send someone to jail. Notice how the judge immediately shuts down the rambling. Why? Because in revocation hearings, clarity is everything. One wrong answer can equal 2 years behind bars.
No. That's not my question. I want you to listen to my question.
No,
that's okay. This is a motion to revoke community supervision. It's complaining that you didn't complete certain things. Did you understand that?
I didn't go.
Your Honor, I might need to talk to him again.
Okay.
He is requesting more time from the court. I understand that he needs to plead not true to this judge. He would like to hire an attorney.
Okay. All right.
I really
Okay.
My question is, did you review this with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Jeffrey Flores who was placed on community supervision in 2024 CR 012214 for the offense of theft of property less than $2,500 with 2 or more previous convictions on February 20th, 2025 for a term of 4 years? Is that you?
Yeah.
State. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Violating condition number 2 on or about the 21st day of March 2025 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Jeffrey Flores did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, or duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that?
I plead
True or not true?
True.
And there it is, he pleads true. Let's pause. In probation revocation cases, pleading true is basically the equivalent of saying, yes, I violated. The burden of proof here is lower than a trial. The state doesn't need beyond a reasonable doubt. They just need a preponderance of the evidence. So once he says true, the judge now has full authority to revoke and sentence him up to the maximum. The leverage just shifted completely.
And then violated condition number 4 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Jeffrey Flores did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of July, August, and September 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True. Did you understand by pleading true to violations? State, are you waiving 14AA?
State is waiving the remaining condition.
Any objection?
No, Judge.
Did you understand by pleading true to violations 2 and 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to 2 and 4? Court will find 2 and 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
I don't believe there is a proposed agreement, but state would be asking for revocation and sentencing for those 2 years.
All right. And defense, what are you requesting?
Your Honor,
Did you catch that? No plea agreement in place, and the state is asking for the full 2 years. This is the danger zone. Without an agreement, sentencing becomes entirely discretionary. It's like walking into a storm without an umbrella and hoping the judge feels merciful today. High stakes. Very high stakes.
he has expressed to me, Judge, that he would like to hire some time to hire an attorney. We did receive 2 separate recommendations from the state. So, in all honesty, Judge, we would just like for him to have more time to hire the attorney of his choice.
Here's the thing. The question is... No, go ahead.
I just really would, because I only could do is like, I'm hoping Because honestly, on the drug test, for instance, I had to get hit by a car, and I had told him, and I had got him to my hospital, but I was.
You want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, so this is what I'm going to do. I've already sworn you in. State your name for the record.
Revoke.
All right, so this is what's going to happen. You've been sworn in. I'm not going to take testimony from you just yet because it appears that there may be miscommunication and you changed your mind about certain things. So, no. So here's.
Now this is interesting. The judge senses hesitation and hits pause. This is actually a critical judicial move. If there's any sign the defendant doesn't fully understand what's happening, proceeding could create appeal issues later. So instead of rushing it, the court resets. That's procedural fairness in action. Smart move, because once testimony starts, there's no undo button.
What I'm going to do, I'm going to give you a chance to speak with your attorney, and then if you still want to proceed, then I'll take testimony from you, okay? So just speak with her for a moment, and then you all can come back, okay?
Yeah.
All right, thank you. All right, anyone else ready? All right, ready?
Yeah.
You all ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 012214, State versus Jeffrey Flores. Could I have parties announced?
And Britney Sparks for Mr. Flores.
Are you Jeffrey Flores? All right, the last time we were here, you said that you were going to have an attorney. Are you having an attorney, or are you going to proceed with Ms. Sparks?
Ms. Sparks.
All right, did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I did. Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Jeffrey Flores who was placed on community supervision in 2024 CR 012214 for the offense of theft of property less than $2,500 with 2 or more previous convictions on February 20, 2025 for a term of 4 years? Is that you? All right, state.
Violated condition number 2, on or about the 21st day of March 2025 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Jeffrey Flores did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, and or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Violated condition number 4, in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Jeffrey Flores did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of July, August, and September 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
State will waive their violated condition.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violations 2 and 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations 2 and 4?
I do not.
Court will find violations 2 and 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, the proposed agreement is to grant state's motion and sentence to 18 months.
Is that the
And just like that, a deal appears. 18 months instead of 2 years. This is negotiation strategy at work. The state gets revocation. The defendant avoids the max. But here's the real kicker, he's waiving his right to appeal. That means this decision is final. No second bite at the apple. When you waive appeal in a plea bargain, you're locking the door behind you.
agreement?
It is, Judge.
Are you asking the court to follow that agreement? Are you waiving your right to appeal? And the court will sentence you to 18 months in the state jail facility. There's to be no contact with Dollar General store. There's a $2,000 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. And the court will request the therapeutic community. Oh, state, you may be excused. Did you review the trial court certification with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
I did.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing, Mr. Flores. If you don't make changes in your life, you're going to end up in prison. You know? If a drug problem, take care of it.
And here's the human moment. After the legal formalities, fines, waivers, and sentencing, the judge shifts tone. This isn't just about punishment. It's about trajectory. Probation violations often start small, missed tests, missed reports, but they snowball. The judge is basically saying, this was state jail, next time could be prison.
Okay. But it's a bump in the road, you know.
All right, make better choices, and if you need help, I'm here, okay?
Thank you so much.
All right,
Have a good day.
You too. Good luck to you.
Thank you. Can I have
Captain.
excuse?
Yes. Yes.